At the primary level, we begin our geometry journey by learning the concept of point, line, plane, 2D and 3D objects. We all know that a point is a zero-dimension object as it has no length, width or height. A few real-life examples of points are a pencil tip, the tip of a needle, the proboscis of an insect, or the location of a place on a map. Now the question arises, can we actually find a mathematical point in the real world? If we carefully observe the definition of a point, we can find that we can measure its length, but it has no width or thickness or any other measurable features. It has no size or volume. A point tells about the location only. Only a single measurement is possible for one dimension figure. You should have a collection of points such as the endpoints of a line or the corner of a triangle or square, but it would still be a zero-dimension object. In geometry, point, line and plane are considered undefined terms because they are only explained using examples and descriptions. Generally, mathematical models like Euclidean geometry are models of reality, not actual reality. Hence, we can conclude that points exist in the model, not in reality. Now, try this.